Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make corn roast. Preheat your oven and get fresh ears of corn, husks optional. Trim kernels if you prefer roast bites, or leave whole for smoky flavor. Season with butter, salt, pepper, and a touch of smoked paprika. Wrap in foil or place on a tray, then roast until caramelized and tender. Let rest briefly and serve warm. Garnish with herbs and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Start by trimming the stalk ends and removing silk from the ears for easier handling. Lightly brush each ear with melted butter so seasoning sticks and caramelizes. Sprinkle salt, pepper, and a bit of smoked paprika for depth, or add chili powder for heat. If you like fresh toppings, set aside lime wedges and crumbled cheese. Wrapping in foil helps steam, while open roasting gives more char and flavor contrast. Place prepared ears on a baking sheet or wrap in foil depending on texture preferences. Roast until the kernels are tender and show golden spots, checking after the first 15 minutes to avoid overcooking. For a softer result, roast wrap to trap steam or leave uncovered to encourage caramelization. Finish under the broiler for a minute or two to add quick char. Rest briefly, then dress and serve immediately for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.